It is very early in the morning. The sky is light blue. The sun is rising. The family wakes up today. Today is not a normal day. Today is a travel day.
Good morning, everyone. Please wake up slowly.
I feel excited. I also feel sleepy.
Today we go to the airport.
Are we going to Australia now?
Yes, Ben. But first, we brush our teeth.
Okay.
The family goes to the bedroom. Open bags are on the bed.
Let's pack carefully.
I have shirts. I have pants.
Good. Do you have socks?
Yes. 5 pairs. I pack my toys. Ben, choose 2 toys only. Okay. I choose my car and my kangaroo. Yeah.
Yes. Australia has kangaroos.
Then my toy will feel happy.
The family eats breakfast. They eat slowly.
Eat well. The airport food is expensive.
I eat toast. I drink milk.
Drink water, too.
Let's check again. Passport?
Yes.
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 Phone chargers?
In my bag.
Okay. Okay. Let's leave.
They turn off the lights. They lock the door. They smile.
Seatbelts on.
Okay, we done.
How long is the drive?
About 1 hour.
Yes.
Yes.
Can we listen to music? Pops, big stone, big egg down phone. Hey!
Yes.
Yes.
The car moves. The city wakes up.
We will arrive on time.
What do people speak in Australia?
They speak English.
Do they have spiders?
Right?
Yes, but do not worry.
I worry a little. I'm taken.
Arriving at the airport. The airport is very big. Planes are outside. People are everywhere.
There are many people. I feel small.
Stay close to me.
Let's find the check-in counter.
Dar Rosikan.
Good morning. Good morning. Where are you flying today?
We are flying to Australia.
Is this your first time?
Yes.
That is exciting.
Is the plane big?
Yes, very big.
Security check. Please remove your shoes.
I feel funny.
It is okay.
Put your bag here.
I am a little nervous.
You are doing great.
You are doing great.
Waiting at the gate. They sit at the gate. They wait.
The chairs are hard. I am hungry again.
Here is a banana.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are now boarding flight EQF 1988 to Australia. Please have your boarding passes and passports ready.
Again, ladies and gentlemen, we are now boarding flight EQF 1988 to Australia. Please have your boarding passes and passports ready. Thank you.
That is us.
I feel happy.
I feel excited.
Welcome aboard, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you for choosing to fly with us today. My name is Julie's, and along with the rest of our cabin crew, I'll be taking care of you during our flight to Australia. Please place your carry-on luggage in the overhead bins or securely under the seat in front of you, and make sure the aisles are clear for boarding passengers. We kindly ask that you switch your mobile phones to flight mode at this time. Sit back, relax, and enjoy the journey with us.
The plane moves slowly. Then it flies into the sky. The family sits together. They are safe. They are calm. They are flying to Australia.